How to send gift on Snapchat. Hi everybody, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how can you send a gift on Snapchat. For that, first of all, make sure to update your application. Head over to your respective app store. On the search box, type in Snapchat, and here check for an update. If you see update, press on it and wait for a couple of seconds. After completely updating the application, and log into your account. Once you are logged into your account, press the profile or the Bitmoji icon from the top left hand side corner of your screen. Right on this page, you could either go ahead and tap on Snapchat Plus, or you could go ahead and click the gear icon. As you go to the gear or the settings page, here you want to click on Snapchat Plus. Once you do it, so you have the Snapchat Plus gift card. Over here, you just have to go ahead and select the contact or select the person to whom you want to go ahead and send the gift. So let's say this is the one. Now you have to go ahead and get the subscription of the Snapchat Plus. Only then you'll be able to send a gift. Now click on Gifts Snapchat Plus, and then you have to go ahead and enter in and click the OK button, after which you have to go ahead and enter in your credit card information, and you'll be able to send a gift on Snapchat. Now this feature is only available on Snapchat Plus. So that's the way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.